We have a short on time, about a 15-minute workout. We've got 5 exercises. Your goblet squat, hand-to-hand swing, we've got a tactical lunge, we've got a high row, and then we'll finish it off with some overhead presses. All right, let's check this out. I love the goblet squat for a lot of reasons, but holding the weight in front of the chest, it makes me think about keeping my chin up. I like to aim my elbows towards my thighs, but the handle keeps the chin lifted instead of bending over, because you don't want to lean forward. Remember, you want to keep it nice and tall, going up and down. Okay, now you're going to transition into the hand-to-hand swing. Love these. I like to toss the weight around. Of course, it depends also on the weight that you're using, but just nice little glide from hand to hand. You got the hips going back and forth. Little twist in these, so you can kind of twist, get those obliques engaged a little bit. Love it. Okay, next up, we're gonna do a tactical lunge, okay? Goes inside, so the kettlebell goes inside the leg, come to standing. So remember, I'm gonna push through the heel, switch, push through that front heel to come to standing, like so. Now the high row, another one of my faves. Nice and tall, my shoulders are back, little bend in the knees, pulling up towards the chin. All right, so we keep the kettlebell close to your body, pulling it up and down. Really feel that brace through the core as you lift. Okay, and don't forget to squeeze your butt too. Press. Okay, and take it. Ooh, that was a clean for some of you. Now I'm gonna sink into this, engage, and press up really tall out of it. Sink, push it to the ceiling. So think long and strong. See, my wrist is straight, okay? It's not bent like this. You want the wrist to be nice and straight, okay? Sink, push the knuckles. So I'm pushing my knuckles to the ceiling. So if you put these together, do multiple rounds, give it a shot, you'll have an excellent full body workout. Make sure you do the other side on the presses too.